Hi everyone. Today I will read about rule number 4. Learn deeply. Hi, this is AJ again, director of Effortless English. Welcome to the fourth rule to speaking excellent English. Now, this rule is also very simple. In fact, all of these rules is very simple. But when you use all of them, train the ways you use English, you will get fantastic results. So, rule number 4 is also very important. Rule number 4 again is very simple, and it is this: learn deeply, deep learning. What does that mean? Well, deep learning basically means repeating what you learn again and again and again, many times. So this, again, is very different from the way you learn in school. Unfortunately, most schools have a lot of pressure to go fast. They are always pushing the students to learn more vocabulary, very fast. New grammar, new grammar, new grammar. Every week, new grammar. Every week, a lot of new words. Right, cause they are going through this textbook, and they are trying to finish the textbook very quickly. So, what's the problem? Well, the problem is the students you learn a lot of stuff, but then you forget it. You forget what you learned, or you remember the basic idea, but you can't use it. So, for example, all students who have studied English learned the past tense. You learn the past tense, but you studied it in a textbook, and then boom, very fast, you went and you learned more grammar. You learned possessive. You learned the future. You learned the present perfect. So you are constantly going very fast. So you never master the past tense. You did not learn the past tense deeply like a native speaker. That's why you make mistake with the past tense. Still, you studied many years, but you still make mistakes with the past tense. It's because you never master it. You never learn it very deeply. So you need to slow down and repeat everything you learn again and again. For example, when people use my lesson, when they buy my lesson, I tell them, you listen to the same lesson set, the same group of lesson, the same topic every day for 2 weeks. That's right. It's the same lesson, maybe 2 or 3 lessons. You listen to the same on once on Monday, Tuesday. Same lesson Wednesday, same lesson Thursday, Friday, Saturday for 1 week. 2 weeks. Wednesday, same lesson. If it's still difficult, then you do it again. 3 weeks. 4 weeks. It's not a race. You want to learn everything very deeply so that you really learn it. So that you never forget it. So you can really use it. That's deep learning. So if you have an audio article or a podcast, something you're listening to and you like it, don't just listen one time. One time is not enough. 5 times is not enough. You should listen to that, the article, the speech, whatever it is. You should listen to it 30 times, 50 times, 100 times or more. Now, you can have a few things, or maybe you have 2 or 3 audio articles, and each day you listen to them all, but then you repeat them again. And when you repeat them again, and you repeat them again, you're learning deeply, even after you know the vocabulary. Continue listening to the same thing, because knowing the vocabulary just means you can take a test and you say the meaning. But when the vocabulary just mean you can take a test and you say the meaning. When you hear it, do you sternly understand it? Can you use it quickly and easily, automatically? If the answer is no, you need to repeat more. You need to listen to that same word, phrase, sentence, article, lesson again and again, many times. This is one of the key secrets to speaking faster and to really learning grammar correctly and using it correctly. So, focus. For example, you listen to a story in the past tense. Listen to that story again and again. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then another stories in the past tense. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You never stop. I'm a native speaker, and all my life I've been learning the past tense. I still listen to the past tense now, and I will as long as I live. So you never stop these basic verb tenses, grammar, learning all of it. The most common words. You gotta keep listening to them like a native speaker. You hear them every single day. You repeat them again and again. I've heard the basic, most common vocabulary in English every day. Thousands, tens of thousands, millions of times, and I will continue to hear them. That's why I can use them quickly and automatically, and maybe you can't. You just need more repetition, repetition. You gotta learn more deeply. Focus on the most common verbs, the most common vocabulary, the most common English through listening, and then repeat. When when you do that, that's the key. That's the secret. That's how you will develop. That's how you will get automatic speaking. Okay, so that's our rule today. For rule number 4, deep learning. Repeat everything a lot. Repeat it many times. So I'll see you tomorrow for rule number 5. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.